So today we talk about the two surfaces of the illness, the upper surface and the under surface. So let's take an example. Supposingly a patient come to us, and we when we go to through the reports, we see that the calcium levels, the blood reports, the serum calcium level is low. So we would not overtly prescribe calcium supplements or vitamin D supplements. Our internal medicine specialist, Dr. Ruby Bansal, will make sure that she will get her vitamin D levels checked, and then we will take the whole history thoroughly. More often we find that the patient is already on calcium supplements, already on vitamin D supplements, but the serum calcium level is low. Then we have to dig deeper, why the system is not absorbing, calcium, either supplement form of calcium or a natural form of calcium. So when we get into the history, we understand that very often patients complain of recurrent diarrhea or chronic inflammation, in the intestinal tract, and these are causes of low absorption of calcium from the intestine. And then we work on this inflammation in the intestines, this chronic diarrhea, through allopathic medicine, through homeopathic medicine. I am Dr. Priya Kapoor, the homeopathic consultant. And then we take a deep homeopathic history, whether the patient desires milk and dairy products or whether the patient has an aversion. Our medicines vary. If the patient likes milk and is not able to take because of abdominal distension or pain, we would give different set of remedies. And if the patient doesn't have like milk at all or gets nausea from milk, then we would like to put him on other forms of calcium or natural supplements. Our dietitian, Dr. Deepika Kohli, will give other natural forms of calcium, how to supplement the body from the deficit of calcium in the blood. And when we work with this kind of an approach, the patient generally doesn't have to be on artificial calcium supplements for long. We try to bring the patient to a normal serum calcium level with a natural form of diet, food, change in lifestyle. That is the aim at the integrated wellness clinic. And we understand the root cause of his or her calcium deficiency in the blood. So this approach is totally different from just overloading the system with calcium or vitamin D supplements. This is a very common problem, serum calcium level being low, and consequent weakness or bone strength, poor bone strength, and musculoskeletal problems. If any of your relatives have this kind of problem, you can come to us. We understand the front surface and the under surface of disease, and that is how we get wonderful results with minimum medicine. Jai Hind.